This is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from one Android phone to the next. Now you can simply just go to your Gmail right here, and you can just transfer like 5 or 6 different photos in an email. So we can just go to this and compose a photo, and just send a photo to yourself. So you can just go to your Gmail, and then you can just attach them on the top. So you can go to your photos right here, just attach them. Now if you're using Google Drive under here, it makes it a lot simpler, so we can upload larger files like under Google Drive. So you can just upload your photos under here, send them in your email, and boom, you can just go to your phone now, your other Android phone, and just simply download. So that's probably the easiest way just for a few photos. For a lot of photos, you want this. You have an external USB device like this, and then I have a USB-C to USB adapter, and I can just plug this in. Now make sure this is formatted EXFAT. NTFS doesn't work by default on your Android phone. So you can just go to this now. So if you're trying to transfer over like 200 or 300 gigabytes, this is so easy. You can just go to search now and type in files. So type in files and go to my files or files, whatever you have on your phone. Both will be the same. Scroll on down now and you can see my USB device is on here. You probably want to make a new folder on here. So you can go to the top, and you can probably format it too if you got other stuff on there. That means it will delete everything on there. And then you can create a new folder on here. So create a new folder that you can transfer your photos to. Now on my phone, images and videos are separated, so we can go to images right here. And we can transfer these over first. You can just hold down on here, and then we can go to transfer all. So I'm just going to do like one. And then we can go to move or copy, and then go over to USB. And copy it to a location here. I'm just going to copy it in the main location, but you probably want to copy it into that folder. And you can see this is copying over now. It's at 96%. And then you can easily just retrieve it by doing the same method on your other phone here. So we can just cancel this out. For some reason, it takes a while for my SD card. So you can just go to your USB storage, locate your images, and then copy it over. Just make sure you select your internal storage or your SD card, wherever you have on here, and then pick your location, go to copy here, boom, it's on your phone now. Very easy to copy it over. Hopefully this video didn't help you out.